Get 300% hike just by attending this 3 hours AI in Excel workshop. You might have heard this before, but is this actually possible? Let me bust this myth for you. The answer is no. Simply knowing AI tools won't get you a hike. You need to master the foundations of Excel before that. Because without that, AI won't take you far. Hi, I'm CA Isha Jaiswal, an Excel content creator with over 500k followers, and I've taught over 30k students. While I myself love AI, I want to be real with you. Excel is powerful on its own. AI just makes it easier. And when you combine the two, that's when the magic happens. In my 3 hours free live power-packed Excel session, I will give you hands-on experience on real-life Excel files and show you how to blend some quality AI tools into Excel so that you can actually boost your productivity and stand out at work. Additionally, you will also learn some secret Excel tricks that people usually charge a fortune. So if you're actually serious to a prospective career ahead, comment interested and I will send you the link to book your spot at effectively zero cost, as I will refund you the entire workshop fee, and that's my promise. Plus, you will also receive bonuses worth rupees 10k and a unique certificate. Book your spot now before it's full.